A is for amaryllis, tall and bright, a striking bloom in the soft moonlight. B is for begonia with colors bold, in gardens and pots, a sight to behold. C is for calendula, cheerful and warm, a flower that brightens every storm. D is for daffodil, golden and fair, welcoming spring with sunny flare. E is for edelweiss, rare and white, mountain's jewel in the alpine height. F is for freesia, sweet and fragrant, a bloom that makes the garden enchanted. G is for gardenia, pure and white, a symbol of love shining bright. H is for hibiscus, bold and grand, a tropical beauty across the land. I is for iris, regal and tall, a flower that stands proud and all. J is for jasmine with scent divine, fragrant nights and morning and shine. K is for kangaroo paw, unique and rare, a wildflower with a quirky flair. L is for lilac, soft and sweet, a scent that makes the heart beat. M is for marigold, bright and cheerful, colorful blooms, never fearful.